at least. No, they kind of caught me off guard. Well, this is Errol. He's being kind enough to let me borrow his, and hopefully it sounded good for y'all.
Nothing on you.
He has a lot.
Unreal.
He's got a lot more money. Got his own TV show.
Good time. You were on this small TV show yourself.
I guess so.
We're gonna do, Phillip said, let's do some not pictures, we'll do those later. Let's do some questions. So I'm gonna help him out. You gotta scream nice and loud. She already got her arm up. What's your question?